In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Lens on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know how to open Lens, upload an image, and get smart visual results that help you identify objects, find similar items, and learn more from any picture. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Any recent version will work, but if you don't see the features I'm showing, it's a good idea to update Chrome to the latest version. You don't need any special setup or extensions for this walkthrough, and you can do it from a regular window. Next, look for the Google Lens icon. It typically appears as a small camera icon on the Google homepage or New Tab search box in Chrome. You might also see it labeled as Search by Image. Click that icon to launch the Lens interface. If the icon isn't there, make sure your default search engine is set to Google, and consider updating your browser. The feature is built into modern Chrome experiences. Once Lens opens, you'll see a space where you can search using an image. This is where the magic happens. Lens analyzes the visual details in a picture to suggest matches, related pages, and practical actions. It's great for identifying products, landmarks, plants, artwork, and more. You can even focus on a specific part of an image later to refine your results, so don't worry if your picture is busy or includes multiple objects. To follow along exactly as shown, click Upload a File. This tells Lens you want to search using an image saved on your computer rather than something from the web or your clipboard. The Upload button is usually prominent in the Lens panel, and it supports common formats like JPG and PNG. Now choose the image you want to search from your files. Pick a clear, well-lit photo for the best results. After you select it, Chrome will upload the image and take you straight to the results page. Give it a moment to process. You'll see visually similar images, websites that include the same or related pictures, and often extra panels that highlight products, places, or recognized text. If the result focuses on the wrong area, adjust the selection box on the image to highlight the exact object you care about and watch the results update. For text-heavy images, try copying or translating the detected text. For products, explore shopping results to compare availability and prices. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click the Lens icon, use the Upload a File option, and choose your image. Explore the results, refine the focus area if needed, and let Lens do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy discovering more with every image you search.